What are you doing? I am studying and they are playing. So these are the sentences we use every single day. In today's spoken Hindi lesson by BSN Academy of Learning, we are going to discuss how to talk about an ongoing activity or an action which is happening right now in Hindi. So welcome my dear friends, मेरे दोस्तों, आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. By the end of this video, you must write your own sentence and pin it down in the comments. Okay? So let's get started. Let's see what is the basic formula of this sentence first. In Hindi, to talk about an ongoing activity, the structure is like this. The subject, who is doing the action, plus the verb, the action itself, plus रहा है और रही है और रहे हैं और रही हैं as per the number of the people who is doing the action, and the variants or variations of the verb to be, which can be hai, ho or hain. Alright, that we will see when we are doing the structure. Sentence. So, when do we use these raha hai, rahi hai and all that? Let us see. Raha hai is used when the subject is a singular male or masculine. Ladka pad raha hai. The boy is studying. Okay. Ladka pad raha. Rahi hai is used. Imagine it's not rahi hai. It's rahi hai without a nasal tone. Okay. Rahi hai is used when there is a feminine subject doing the act. Veh khel rahi hai. That just means there is a lady or there is a girl who is playing. Ladki khel rahi hai. Ladki, now we have called out a noun for that. लड़की खेल रही. वे पढ़ रहे हैं. They are studying. वे, there are a group of individuals. Now they could be male because if it were females, we would say वे खेल रही हैं और वे पढ़ रही हैं. So रही हैं has got now a nasal tone for which stands for a group of female individuals. Now take notice of how the irregular verb to be changes here. For any singular person who is doing an action, it remains hai. For the plural, feminine or masculine, this converts to hai. Again with a nasal tone. Hai. Alright? So, वह पढ़ रही है for a single female. वे पढ़ रही हैं for a group of females. वह खेल रहा है for a single male. वे खेल रहे हैं for a group of masculine individuals who are playing the game. Now, let's do a conversation practice. Ajay, who is the first character, is asking Varun, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? Ajay is asking Varun, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? तुम means you. क्या, we have not dealt with the question words yet, but in near future. क्या means what? कर रहे हो, are doing. What are you doing? Varun replies, मैं टीवी देख रहा हूँ. I am watching TV. मैं टीवी देख रहा हूँ. I am watching TV. तुम कहाँ जा रही हो? He asks Swati. She replies, मैं बाजार जा रही हूँ. I am going to the market. Where are you going? तुम कहाँ जा रही हो? मैं बाजार जा रही हूँ. Now he asks a group of students, what are you doing? हम पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं और हम पढ़ रहे हैं. We are studying. हम पढ़ रहे हैं. We are studying. So now let's look at some common ongoing activity verbs. खा रहा हूँ. I am eating. पी रहा हूँ. I am drinking. पढ़ रहा है. I am studying or reading. लिख रहा है और लिख रहा हूँ. I am writing. खेल रहा हूँ. I am playing. सो रहा हूँ. I am sleeping. देख रहा हूँ. I am watching. बोल रहा हूँ. I am speaking. Now you may change the hai or to hai or ho according to the subject and the number of people who is doing the action, whatever your sentence is. So when you are using these verbs, do not forget to change the hai part as well as the pronouns or the number of subjects you are using. So I hope you will be able to make your own sentence and drop it down in the comment box. We'll be happy to go through it and let you know whether it is correct or not. Once more, some more sentences. I am drinking water. मैं पानी पी रहा हूँ. मैं पानी पी रही हूँ. हम पानी पी रहे हैं. Hope you now can make out the difference. So, excellent job. Now you can speak in Hindi how to talk about an ongoing activity. Okay, so try writing this sentence. I am learning Hindi in the comment box and let us know how far have you reached in your Hindi learning journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our Spoken Hindi channel for more Hindi lessons. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. नमस्ते.